Hey guys, how are you doing? I am sorry that I'm running a little bit late this week. Same story, different week. Sorry, it's just, life is busy right now. It's cold as shit outside. Work is super busy. Life is super crazy. So we're just kind of going off schedule for a while. Sorry. But anyway, I am here today to unbox my 1 year anniversary Yes Oh Yes box. It's the first one of these I've gotten. That means that I've been with them for a year. So with their program, their every month subscription box bag, they've been a little bit controversial, and I don't like to get into drama, but I will just say this, that they are a company run by humans and people make mistakes. They've had their fair share, but the year that I've been with them, I've seen them grow and I have seen them make changes in accordance with the mistakes that they've made to try to kind of move in the right direction away from the mistake. That's why I'm still with them. If you don't care to be with them, if you don't support them, if you don't understand that, if you don't agree with my perception on that, then it's perfectly okay. But that's just my thought. They've always been good to me. Every time I've had a question concerning anything like that, they've been right there. And honestly, their customer service has been better to me than BoxyCharm or Ipsy or anybody like that. So I'm not mad at them. I understand that they did some shady shit, and I get that. It rubs some people the wrong way, but no hate, no shade. This is just why it is. I've been asked why I still get this box, and quite frankly, like, no, it's not the highest value box, but I still get to try some cool stuff. The cost is low. The amount that you get is pretty good. So I'm happy. Anyways, now that that is done, drama portion closed, let's see what's actually in here this month. So okay, let's cut this bad boy open. It just got delivered today. I didn't get a normal tracking like I do with my regular subscription, but it came in the mail today. So we're gonna open this up, and I see some Sunnies in there, some red paper. All right, let's see what's going on in here. The first thing I see, these Sunnies right here. I don't see a card at all in here, so I don't know. These are a little bit silly looking to me. They are Sunglass Luxe. That's what the tag says right there. They look like this. They actually feel kind of heavy. They don't feel super cheap, so who is she? We don't know. We don't know. Pause for a picture. Not bad. They're kind of cute. I don't normally wear gold toned things, but those are pretty cute. Moving right along, we have this long ass necklace. It's got a big charm on it. It's from the brand Influence. Not really sure. Again, it's like kind of like a gold tone and kind of reflecty in there. I don't know, it's a long necklace. Everybody can use one of those every once in a while. We have another pair of Sunnies here. I like Sunnies, so I'm okay with that. This is from, it doesn't say a brand on it. This is just what the tag looks like, and they look like this. Again, they're gold toned. I like the little cat eye look. Ooh, I like these so much better. So cute. What do you think? Which pair do you guys like better? Leave it below. Super cute. And again, they feel fairly sturdy. Like, not super expensive or anything like that, but they also don't feel super cheap. So, moving along, we have this I'm kind of upset that this doesn't have like a package on it, but this is a Profusion crayon. It doesn't even say what it is. It doesn't have a safety seal or anything like that, but it's obviously been moving around in there. Profusion is a drugstore brand. It's a cute little kind of coral vibrant pink. You can get it at Target, things like that, TJ Maxx. So that's cute. I don't really use lip crayons too often because I prefer a liquid lip that doesn't smudge, but it's good for photos, things like that. Next we have a Jante Blue matte lipstick in the color Esmeralda. Looks like that. This one does have a safety seal on it, thank goodness. See if I got my nails done last week. I don't know why, I was just feeling it. So it did, but sometimes it makes life a bit hard. So, let's see. Ooh, this is a deep dark red. I don't understand these things at the bottom. Like, I feel like they should have product in there. It's actually kind of a berry toned red whenever you swatch it out, and my lights are making it look more orange, but it's not. Just a berry tone red, which is nice. Next we have Sorme Cosmetics Smear Proof Eyeliner. It's in the shade Charcoal. I already have this from another box, so I'm not going to swatch that. There's no reason to open it yet. And this Bella Pierre Angle Brush. Let's see. Manica Dar Lash Extending Primer. This says step 1. I think one of my very first boxes I got a Manica Dar step 2 mascara, which was actually a really cute, it was a good mascara. It worked really well. Oh, this is a white primer. I don't really use these too often. I don't find that they do anything. It just adds extra weight to my lashes. I'm not a fan of it. Somebody might be, so I'm just going to keep that all boxed up. We next have a Bella Pierre eyeshadow brush. Looks like that. So, do that. Then we have something that we previously got in a box. This is a makeup base. I didn't use this last time I got it. I'm not going to use it now. It's kind of like a Painterly Paint Pot, but not good. It's like very waxy and kind of gross. I don't know what the brand. Oh, this is Bella Pierre as well. Then we have a Bella Pierre. It says mineral bronzer, but this is very, very. Oh, it does have it's very shimmery. And it's very light. So for me, I think this would be more like a loose highlighter, which their loose pigments are pretty good. You can get Bella Pierre, and here's some more loose pigments, and I think I already got all of these colors from them. Like here's a purple, here's a darker purple, and then here's a white. My lights are not doing these justice, so the darker purple and the lighter purple. I have all of these from a previous box, but it's okay. Like I said, I didn't pay for this, so it's not too bad. And here is a Bella Pierre 12 Color Pro Matte Lip Palette. So this is what the front of it looks like. And this is the back. I have one more lip palette. It's Aesthetic. I think I got this in I don't know if it was the Yes Oh Yes or if it was BoxyCharm or what it was. I haven't really reached for it too much. I mean, it's a palette. It kind of takes extra work, so I don't know. This one looks like it has some kind of cool colors. It's got an aqua, a yellow, a white, a cobalt blue. Like, can we see those colors? So let's just open her up and see. Oh yes, it does. Oh, and they pop out too. This is like a magnetic palette. So there is a mirror back here, but I'm not going to blind you. And then the colors look like this. So that's not bad. I mean, that could be fun. And then it has this really little pathetic excuse for a lip brush. This little thing, it's not even straight because it was squished in there. And then the little flat brush. I'm not sure what in the world you would do with that. But these nude colors actually look, let me do this without falling off. These nude colors up here actually are kind of right in my area. There's a super deep dark purple. It's kind of showing up black on the screen, but it's purple. A lighter purple, like a lavender. This Aloha color is gorgeous. It's a coral pink. Some of these I'm really feeling. These ones on the bottom are more adventurous, so I think you could have a little fun, do some really artistic looks with it or something like that, you know. But I mean, that's okay. I'll keep this one. This one is more fun for me than the last one that we got. So that's great. So that was 1 year. They give you kind of a lot of stuff. Some stuff is repeats, so you know, it kind of is what it is. But at the same time, I got 2 new pairs of Sunnies, and I'm excited about those because I have so many pairs and go through so many pairs a year. Just because, why not? Why not? I love them. So those are really cool, and who doesn't like some extra brushes? I mean, these are kind of short-handled brushes, if we're being honest. They're very short-handled, so they might be great for travel, you know, kind of throw them in your, like, travel bag or something just in case. And, yeah, I mean, not too bad for free. I'll take it all day long. If you're interested still in getting this box or kind of seeing what it's about or whatever, there's an affiliate link down below. If you don't want me to get money for it, it's okay. I think I make $1 or something off of everyone who uses my link, and I do greatly appreciate it. However, if you're not into that, just go to yesohyes.com and you can sign up there. You can check it out. You can do what you want. If you're not into it, that's okay. Doesn't matter to me anyway. It's all good, you know, to each our own. But anyways, thanks for sticking around and watching me open up this awesome little gift that I got in the mail today. And yeah, I'll see you next week.